The automatic quality reduction balance testing machine can provide double-sided balance detection and correction for heat dissipation fan blades and household motor rotors with a mass of 4 to 6 cm and less than 50 gram, and an initial imbalance of less than 20 mg. After visual positioning of the product, the robotic arm will transport the tested product from the feeding conveyor to the imbalance correction module for initial imbalance testing. Based on the test results, the balance angle rotation and drilling for quality removal will be carried out, equipped with automatic tool setting and product height and angle adjustment adaptation devices to ensure accuracy of correction. Waste adsorption are carried out during product quality removal. After double-sided balance correction of the product imbalance will be retested. The balance correction will be carried out again if the correction effect not ideal enough. The minimum remaining imbalance of the balancing machine is less than 0.2 grams per millimeter per kilogram, and the remaining imbalance of the rotor after balance correction is less than 1.5 milligram. The UPH value is determined by the original imbalance size and balance level of the product.